So it's not night. It's still morning. So let's show. First this one, lights, this one, and that. So let's start. So this is lavender scent, as you can see. And let's get one. I just need one. Wait. Okay, my problem is done. So my mouth files. So we're done with that. So it's this amount. Maybe one. Because it's a lot. So yeah. It's so tiny. Oh, it's cut. It's done. Let's wait for 5 minutes. I'll be back. So guys, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take off this. And we're done. So let's take this off and then